everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Marisha and I'm a fine art student in the Netherlands. Today I have a new video for you where I will be showing you how to make animations or GIF images in Procreate. I just started out learning this technique, but I really do enjoy making small doodle animations that I can add in my videos. So I thought it would be nice to share this with you. So as you can see here, I started out by writing some text and decorating it with some smaller text and some stars to make it look a little bit more fancy. When you're done with your design and you're satisfied with the result, you can go to the Animation Assist panel in Procreate. Here you can start adding frames to your animation, and what you see here is that I start tracing my design for around 4 or 5 layers, I think 5, because when you're using 5 layers, your animation is just going to look a little bit smoother than when you would use only 2 layers, for example. And now I'm just going to trace everything in my design 5 times so I can complete the animation. Once you're done tracing all the frames of your animation, you can go into settings and change the frame rate, and your animation is already complete. So I know this is a very easy way of animating. I definitely don't have the knowledge of more advanced animation stuff, but these animations are perfect to add in your videos or just to make them for yourself for fun. So now that you know how to make animations in Procreate, I also added a small clip of doodle animations that I made for you as inspiration. So feel free to recreate them, and yeah, I would just say have fun with it. You can draw, design, whatever you want and turn it into an animation.
Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, meio no meio, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meio no meio, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração.
Here are some close-ups of some of the gifts that I made. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel for more.